It's a sad fact that cats born on the street have a slim chance of making it past their first birthdays. Life is rough out there. A cat's claws might be sharp and their bite might be fierce, but that does little to protect them from threats like speeding cars, stray dogs, or coyotes. This is the story of one of the lucky ones. When a litter of feral kittens and their mother were viciously attacked, they should have been just one more statistic. But that's not how things turned out. Sir Stuffington's life didn't have a very happy beginning. As a newborn, he and his mom and the rest of the litter were attacked by a raccoon. His mom and two of his brothers didn't make it, but Sir Stuffington was a fighter. He had to recover from some serious wounds, as well as a terrible flea infestation, but he quickly became a bright light in his foster mother's home. There, he and his adopted siblings could cuddle and play all day. As he has grown up, his spirit has grown even stronger. He's a mischievous and fun-loving little boy. He might look tough now, but he's a real sweetheart with everyone he meets. When he was a kitten, they were worried that he would have a hard time recovering from the raccoon attack. But he hasn't let it stop him from doing all the things other cats love to do, like napping. Plus, he's always a hit when Halloween comes around. I'm so glad that Sir Stuffington's story has a happy ending. Sure, he might look like a tough old pirate now, but he's clearly got a bright and caring spirit that touches everyone he meets. Share Sir Stuffington's story of survival against the odds with your friends below.